to it. First, you want to look up Flash Game Archive. And you want to go to this website here, the first link at the very top. And then as we're loading in, yep, you can already see the preview and everything. So let's hit download. Skip that ad, and then yeah. Now you must have internet to use this Flash Game Archive in order to play Flash games. Now okay, now that we have that installed, we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna drag my file explorer, and we're gonna open the Flash Game Archive, and bam, you already have it downloaded. This is the Flash Game Archive. I'm gonna launch the archive. And so you see all different games. You can play all your old Flash games if you remember the names, of course. But you can play. They have a lot. They have it all organized. You can search. I'm gonna search one of my favorite Flash games of all time, Strike Force Hero 3. This is one of my favorite games of all time. You can hit play. As you can see, it requires the internet connection. So, I think it's gonna, yep, here it is. But as you can see, you can still play all of your favorite games. See, there's still some errors because, well, it's all on one big application, and not all of the code is gonna get fixed in them. But you know, there. Continue to do this game. So you can play all your old Flash games, and without downloading a virus maybe, or malware, or something terrible on your computer. All you have to do is install the Flash Game Archive, and you have all your Flash games all in this simple application right here. And there's different genres through action board, hidden object shooting, tower defense. So yeah, you got all of that. And look, different resolutions, downloads folder, Flash save files, different Flash versions you can try running, and this is how many games are in the archive. So, thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial on how to install Flash games, aka the Flash Game Archive. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more content on the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video.